will be my new friend in my kitchen. You see, it's so cute, right? Hello Kitty. So, I think they will be my good friends, my new good friend. But the old friend, that's okay. So, how about you? What's your favorite kind of gift? Do you have ever got, or do you have some special Christmas activity in your country? Show me. Okay, so dear friend, let's have a merry coffee filled Christmas, and cheers, and see you next time. See ya.